Hello everyone, I'm Anjali Akwari and I've been teaching for past 16 years in different IB schools. Currently I'm working in Symbiosis International School, Pune, Maharashtra, India. Today we're going to explore about air resistance to Kath Murdoch Inquiry cycle and reflect using SOLO rubric. SOLO stands for Structured Observed Learning Outcome. In IB we believe in constructivist and inquiry model, and that's what I'm going to display here. So first let's construct the learning objective using the KUD model, where the learners will know what is air resistance, they will understand the impact of air resistance, and they will predict the effect on different objects. This is how my classroom layout will look like. The students can choose where they wish to sit. Before starting off any learning, we do a prior knowledge check or a prior knowledge assessment. Here I am using the KWL model, where K stands for know. The learners are going to write what they know about air resistance. In one day they are going to write their question. This is an individual task. Each student is going to do it. L will be done later on. Now coming to first stage of inquiry cycle, which is tuning in. Learners are going to watch a video about skydiver and opening the parachute, and second one, I will be throwing a crumpled paper and a flat paper together. Learners will observe. Later on we'll have a discussion, that is we are going to find out what did they observe. Learners are going to give the response, which I am going to record on the board. Next stage is finding out. The learners are going to find out what is air resistance. Using this video, they're going to explore the vocabulary as well as the article and the resources that are put up in the classroom. Now once they watch the video, read the article, which is a quick 5-minute session, they're going to define air resistance and give examples related to it. After finding out air resistance, they're going to sort out the impact of air resistance. This is a group task where learners will be in group and they will choose either a statement or a question that is displayed here, and they will be discussing with their group members, post which they will be sharing in the class their understanding, so that the whole class gathers a wholesome understanding about impact of air resistance. Post which we are going to do stage 4 of going further. This is a hands-on activity based on the ability of the learners. There are 3 stations put up where students can choose station 1, 2, 3. In one, it will be with help, where the steps are given as well as foldable paper is given. In the second one, we have a students will be making long and they will be making 2 planes, long and narrow, wide and short. In the third station, they will be designing their own planes and they'll be making. After making the paper planes, they will be flying those paper planes. Once they fly the paper planes, they will be making conclusion, which is our stage 4 of inquiry, using these prompts. Now, why did some planes go further? The questions like this will enhance their thinking and making connections. After that, they will be taking action of their learning. That is, they will be going to the KWL's L part and write the definition of air resistance along with examples. After completing the understanding, they are going to take a formative assessment, which is a multimodal online, or the students can choose to do a paper-ped one. Once they complete the formative assessment, then they will be reflecting through using the solo continuum. Pre-structural, when they still do not know anything. Unistructural, they know what is air resistance. Multistructural, they know the vocabulary as well as define. In relational, when they are making connection between surface area and speed. Then in extended abstract, when they are able to make a model and explain to their buddies. So they will be assessing their strength and weakness using the solo rubric. Once they complete the solo rubric, then they will be giving the exit ticket. The exit ticket is in the form of a star and a wish. Star is something that they enjoyed learning, and wish is some question that is still unanswered